What's up, yo? It's Orney Borns. Today I'm going to be decluttering and cleaning my room. I think this is going to be a series, just a couple of videos of the different things I do, and as of now I'm going to be organizing my clothes, which will be separating it into a couple of piles. So I'm going to be putting them into two piles: keep and get rid of. And get rid of will mean donating or giving away to people. But yeah, that's what this episode is. So let's get started. Woo. Time to do a time lapse. Okay, so I quickly want to mention that these are my drawers. These ones, these, and my wardrobe. My bed has some clothes on it, and I got a huge pile of stuff over there. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be organizing for the next while. Fun, yes, much fun. I am completely mind blown. I have so many clothes and I don't even wear half of them. Now with that all completed, now I can take this massive pile of clothing and sort it into the two piles, keeping and getting rid of. Okay, well that's what I'm about to do. All this stuff. Hopefully it'll go faster than Thanos can snap his fingers. Okay, so as you can see, I've started organizing. I do have a problem though. As you can see, this is my yes pile and this is my no pile. But there are some things like this that I want to keep, but I'm not sure. So what I think I'm going to do is make a third pile for things like this, which is the maybe pile. So I will decide on them later. If I want them, I'll take them. If I don't want them, in the no pile. So for now, over here in the corner, that is the maybe pile. So now I can make better decisions. So now it's time to bag some of these clothes, put them in bin bags so that I can get them to a charity shop. Yeah. So it is the next day and I have done all that, and now I'm going to donate the bags of clothing to a charity shop. So I'm going to show you the bags now. And as you can see, these two bags are filled with my clothes. So that's half of the clothes I own. If I get rid of this, I might be able to get some new stuff and fill my wardrobe. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, give it a like and subscribe for more cool videos like this one. Catch you on the flip. Orney Borns out.